Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Here I am Kamrun, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 8, today I am going to take your English first paper, and our today's topic is lesson 1 and 3 from Unit 2. Lesson 1 and 3 from Unit 2. So all of you take your English for today book, that means your EFT book, and go to page number 13. And this unit is about food and nutrition. So today we will discuss lesson 1 and lesson 3 from Unit 2. So now look, lesson 1, the good food. That means we will know about the food today, and what is good food, we will also know about it. Now look, there are some key words: nutritious, substances, physical, structure. So today we will try to understand these words. Now look at this picture. There is a teacher and she is talking about the food. That means with her students, and the name of this teacher is Miss Rehana. So let's read the passage. Miss Rehana, the English teacher, is talking to the class about food. Food is very important for our body. She says we can't live without it. So you must always have good food. So Mrs. Rehana, and she is an English teacher, and she is talking to the class about the food. And we all know that we cannot live without food, because food is very important for our body. So what's good food, teacher? Asks a student. Good food means the right kind of food for good health. So what is good food? Good food means the right kind of food for good health. So all of you can underline this one. So we understood that good food means the right kind of food for good health, says Miss Rehana. It is nutritious. Now look, so what is nutritious? When you will call a food nutritious, now look, it must contain natural substances that our body needs to grow properly and stay healthy. Substances means the essential part of something. Okay, so nutritious means nutritious foods have some substances that the body needs to grow properly, and it will help you to stay healthy. But remember, you must not eat too much, though the food is good. Eating too much is bad for health. So food is also food is necessary to live, but eating too much food is also bad for our health. So remember this one, we will not overeat. Okay, you have to eat only a certain amount of food that your body needs. So we will eat a certain amount of food, okay, that our body needs. So we do not need the same kind of food in the same quantity. It depends on your growth and physical structure. So it depends on your growth and physical structure, and we don't need the same kind of food in the same quantity. Okay, now we will go to next page, page number 14, and now look, there is some question answer section B. Answer the following questions. So this section will be your homework. You will do your homework. Okay, what is Miss Rehana talking about? Miss Rehana is talking about food. And why do we eat food? We eat food to live, or we eat food to survive. Number 3, what is meant by nutritious food? What is meant by nutritious food? Nutritious food means that contains natural substances that our body needs to grow properly. Okay, and you will make your own answer. Number 4, how much food does a person need to eat a day? How much? That means a person need to eat only a certain amount of food that his or her body needs. Number 5, does everyone need the same amount of food? Why? So if you agree that everyone needs the same amount of food, you will write the reason, and if you don't agree that everybody doesn't need the same amount of food, you will write your own reason. Okay, now we will go to section C. Complete the sentences. We should eat good food to, what will be there? We should eat good food to live. We will do it in our live class. We should not eat more than what? More than our body needs. Okay, now number 3, eating too much food is not good for health. Number 4, good food means nutritious food. Okay, now we will do some multiple choice, MCQ, multiple choice question answer MCQ, and there will be 7 questions in your exam. Each will carry 1 mark. Now look, choose the correct answer to each question from the alternatives given and write the corresponding number of the answers in your answer script. So you will write the corresponding number also. Now look, number 1, the word important in line 2 of the text means. Now look, in text, food is very important. So there is the important, that means it has a very significant value. It is very important for our body. So what will be the answer? Number A, of great significance or value. Number B, of no significance or value. Number C, of ordinary significance or value. Number D, of great unimportant or value. So what will be the correct answer? Yes, I know, all of you know, A will be the correct answer. Now number 2, the words English teacher in line 1 of the text means. English teacher means what? Who teaches us English, right? So what will be the correct answer? Number A, one who writes English. Number B, one who teaches English. Number C, one who reads English. Number D, one who publishes English books. So what will be the correct answer? Yes, you know, number B will be the correct answer, one who teaches English. Now we will go to number 3, the word remember in line 7 of the text mean. Now look, number A, be unable to bring to mind, that means you are not able to bring to mind. Number B, keep always mind. Number C, be able to bring to mind. Number D, forget from mind. So what will be the correct answer? Yes, be able to bring to mind. So remember means be able to bring to mind. Now number 4, Miss Rehana is a or an dash teacher. Now look, what are the options? We all know that she is an English teacher. It is written in the first line of the text, right? So now look, she option A, Bangla, option B, English, option C, history, option D, Arabic. So B will be the correct answer. She is an English teacher. Now number 5, what is she talking about? So what is she talking about? Option A, English, option B, health, option C, food, option D, good health. In the first line it is written there, Miss Rehana, the English teacher, is talking to the class about food, right? So number C will be the correct answer. Now number 6, good food is what? Good food is number A, costly, number B, cheap, number C, nutritious, number D, expensive. Good food is what? We all know that good food means nutritious food. So number C will be the correct answer. Now number 7, how is eating too much to health? So how is it to our health? Eating too much. Number A, good. Number B, helpful. Number C, suitable. Number D, injurious. Yes, it is harmful. It is not good for us. So number D will be the correct answer. So now, dear students, you will practice those at your home and you will do this question, question answer as your homework, and you will submit it on Saturday. Now we will go to lesson 3. Now look, our daily diet. So what should be our daily diet? We will know about it, and there are some keywords: essential, disease, calcium and interval. Okay, let's read. So there is a dialogue for you. Read the dialogue. Miss Rehana, let's talk about some essential foods that we need to eat regularly. That means those foods which are necessary to eat regularly. For our good health, we must choose the right food in our daily diet. Student 1, we eat rice, roti, fish and meat every day. What else should we have, teacher? Miss Rehana, now Miss Rehana is talking about it. Well, we must also eat vegetables and fruits. They contain a lot of vitamins and minerals. They keep our body free from diseases. They are also good for our skin and overall health. Student 2, should we have anything else? Now we will go to next page. Miss Rehana again. Sure, we need to drink milk every day. Milk is highly rich in calcium, so you will drink milk every day. It is a very nutritious food. It's good for our health growth. It makes our bones and teeth strong as well. We must drink pure water at regular intervals too. It's essential for our body. We can't live without drinking water. So water is very important. We cannot live without drinking water. Now we will go to section B. Now look, make 5 questions from the following table. So you will make 5 questions from the following table. Okay, let's do it. Now look, we can here is in the first column why, what and what foods, then there is a verb do, are, is and now. The object or extension essential food for our body, good for our skin, we need to eat good food, vegetables content and minerals to do. So, you will make 5 sentences. So, we can start from this one, why do we need to eat good food, then what is essential for our body, we can write what is essential for our body, and now look what foods are good for our skin, why do what do vegetables contain and what do minerals do to us. So, you can make those 5 questions and now look section C, number C, write the answers to the questions that we have made in section B. So, we will do it in our live class, we will write the answer of those questions. Now, we will go to section D. Read the text in section A again and tick the best answer. Now, look number 1, milk is highly rich in fat, calcium or sugar. Which one? Yes, we know that it is highly rich in calcium. Now, number 2, fruits and vegetables are good for eyes, general health and teeth. For general health, right? For overall health, fruits and vegetables are good for our overall health. Now, number 3, water, energy drink, milk is most important for life. Yes, we all know that it will be water, because without water we cannot live. So, that is all for today, dear students. You will go through lesson 1 and lesson 3 from unit 2 and you will do your homework. This is your homework number 3. You will do unit 2 lesson 1 section B, that means question answer, as your homework. From lesson 1 section B you will do as your homework number 3. And dear students, I hope you have understood our today's topic. All of you will do your homework and you will submit it on every Saturday in the school library. So, dear students, all of you go through lesson 1 and lesson 3 from unit 2. And if you have any question or queries and if you have any problem regarding these lessons, you will ask me in your live class. So, dear students, see you again. Allah Hafiz.